Welcome to Synapse XT review. In this video, we are going to provide you with the Synapse XT review, and give you a comprehensive detail it. Hearing is necessary for all the living creature in this world. But for human, hearing is more important to listen to all the sounds around the world. In nature, we have this gift of hearing to know whatever happening around us. But the nutrients imbalance, stress, depression, infections, problems in the brain and ear signal transmission, ear infection and more leads to hearing loss. Even it occurs because of the aging process also. You have to know that brain gets disturbed due to the noise pollutant, wrong food, wrong habits, and wrong lifestyle that causes stress, tension, irritation, mental fatigue, brain cells damage, memory loss, focus, concentration and more. Brain and the ear are linked to each other to have better communication. It's like hearing the sounds and sending the message to the brain by converting sound waves into electrical signals. So both the ear and the brain must need better communication without malfunction. If you want to keep your brain and hearing healthy, then you have to take action immediately to follow the right solution. In fact, it is not easy to find the perfect one from the online or offline market. If you consult with the doctor, sure they will suggest a huge list of medications, pills, therapies, and surgeries to enhance the better result. But that will be a little risky and harm your health condition in multiple ways. Then, how can you find the best to take care of hearing and brain health? Do not confuse yourself, here is the solution ready to help you wisely. Of course, the leading research team introduced this powerful dietary supplement Synapse XT to support the brain and hearing health naturally. About Synapse XT. Synapse XT is the best formula to take care of your brain health and restores your hearing naturally. It contains powerful natural ingredients to quickly supercharge and maintain the health of your brain and the hearing. You can make use of this formula in routine to get the actual benefits for restoring your lost hearing and memory power rapidly. It offers the right amount of nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and other vital compounds to fill the gap in a better way. It is proven to enhance mental focus, concentration, and energy. It supports to build stronger communication between the brain and the hearing system, so you will get the chance to get rid of the age-related cognitive declines and improves the function of the brain and hearing ability. Synapse XT, how does it work for everyone? Synapse XT is the advanced formula that provides greater support for your brain health and hearing. It works amazingly with the help of 8 powerful ingredients to skyrocket the function of the brain and restores the crystal clear hearing within a short few days. It comes with a powerful mix of herbs and ingredients to achieve the desired health benefits and transform your life for good. It supports building the stronger communication between each cell to reduce the signs of mental fatigue, boost memory and focus naturally. It helps to experience the perception of senses and sounds for having better hearing and clearer thinking. Each ingredient works uniquely to support and maintain the health of your brain and achieve clear hearing within a short few days. What will you get from this product? Hibiscus is a powerful ingredient that has the ability to calm down the nervous system, strengthening brain connections and reduces the impacts of tinnitus also. It contains the right source of anti-aging properties and the antioxidants to enhance cell protection and promotes overall wellness. Hawthorn berry, it comes with the medicinal properties and powerful antioxidants to reduce the inflammation, protects against the neurodegenerative diseases and boosts immunity level. Garlic and specific B vitamins, it supports to break down all the proteins, fats and carbs to maximize the blood circulation, nervous system and skin health. It is proven to solve the circulation problems and the blood flow in the inner ears to achieve a clearer hearing naturally. Green tea, juniper berries and vitamin C offers antioxidants and the L-theanine that helps to improve the GABA activities, dopamine, serotonin, reduce the oxidative stress and promotes better hearing. Improves brain health, ability to maintain a happy mood, achieve mental and physical relaxation and improves the cognitive function naturally. Pros. Synapse XT is the friendly dietary formula specially formulated to restore the health of your brain and hearing naturally. It is made up of high-quality ingredients taken from worldwide. Each ingredient works synergetically to support the performance and function as better. It is highly effective and risk-free to use in your regular diet. You can buy 1 or 3 or 6 bottles based on your convenience. You can buy this product at a reasonable price. If you are not happy with this product, you can ask for a money refund. Cons: if there is no internet connection, sure, you can't buy this product. Follow the given steps properly to make use of this formula in the right way. If you have any doubt with the added ingredients, sure, you can consult with the doctor before using the formula. Conclusion: at last, you found the real solution for restoring brain health and enhance the hearing ability in a short period of time. It supports brain health with the help of key ingredients to maintain your lifestyle as healthy. Of course, Synapse XT honestly works in depth to supercharge and maintain brain health and hearing in a natural way. It comes with the potent herbs to support hearing and cognitive health, and even you can get the chance to achieve the overall wellness in fewer days. Already it helped many people to supercharge the brain health by rectifying the problem from the root cause and enhance the ability to process the information to hear clearly. If you are interested, just click the link and make use of this product right now.